Yeah, man, I'm the flyest nigga in my city, man. These niggas be hating on me, man. You can't stop me, man. This what it is, true boy bold, nigga. A lot of you niggas wanna be like me, nigga. Let's go, nigga.
Real street nigga, I'm the flyest in my city. These niggas plotting on me cause I'm running up the chicken. I don't know who real, so I gotta keep my distance. Old hating ass niggas, so I gotta keep the blicky. Pull up on the scene, all the hoes go to whipping. Got them things back to back, got the candy paints flipping. Designer on my ass, plus you know I stay dripping. How I fly past your ass, you might think I'm in the vent. I'm a dog ass nigga with your bitch playing fair. Had to take the Cubans off, had to give my neck a rest. Beating on the pussy, say I'm all in the chest. Had to pick the Gucci's up, they was stuck on niggas' neck. That ass sitting good, I might buy your bitch some breast. While I'm in and out of Nemus, I might fuck up me a check. Nigga, this ain't no rookie shit, nigga, I'm a vet. Real fly ass nigga, you can go ask your bitch.
I swear, you know what the fuck going on, nigga. The biggest. Let go. Ayy.
Niggas broke, puss bummy, in the trap ain't get no money. Nigga take you for a joke, why you asking can you get funny? Mine on 100, what that mean I need 100K? Migo say he on the way, he tryna call like 20 plays. Smoking on his dial, got a nigga higher than a bird. Old school shit for the snout, right up on the curb. Nigga lane changing, what that mean? Niggas tend to murder. Bird, I'm chipping in this bitch, grab the one we from the spur. I was still popping shit, nigga, when I was down and out. Now I'm back around, remember niggas tried to count me out. That PPP money, had niggas really chasing out that EDD money. Had niggas really falling out. I'm a real hustler, I can maintain any job. Coming with the place, I get a minute, then I get them out. Saucy ass nigga, I don't see a nigga, point them out. All about my bag, why these niggas focus on the clout?
Yeah. True story. Cub playing with the food, bitch, we all gon' well. Yeah, I serve the fuck nigga, but I charge him a fee. D's going for the dub, blues go 23. And if he hating by the bitch, he ain't my dog, he a flea. Chain swinging like a pit, I'm a dog off the leash. Might pay for some head, but she gon' fuck me for free. Yeah, he got a little bread, but he ain't fucking with me. True story.
80 baby, yeah they hate, I grew up on the east. See my mama struggle hard, so I chose the streets. 16, fresh off port, caught my first S&D. See my pop smoking rock, so I do him a ski. Headed southbound, nigga, where I knew I can eat. In these trenches, nigga, where you get no game for free. Be bout your issue, cause these niggas out here playing for keep. Swear I'm deep off in the field, quit playing with me.
Cub playing with the food, bitch, we all gon' eat. Yeah, I serve the fuck nigga, but I charge him a fee. D's going for the dub, blues gon' 23. And if he hating by the bitch, he ain't my dog, he a flea. Chain swinging like a pit, I'm a dog off the leash. Might pay for some head, but she gon' fuck me for free. Yeah, he got a little bread, but he ain't fucking with me. True story.
Niggas wasn't trapped when I was swinging out that brew house. Those swinging off the hinges, get them in, get them out. Before I leave the trap, gotta know my pockets filled with knots. Blicky on my waist, case these fuck niggas try to plot. Fucking niggas hoes, reason why these niggas hate me now. Ain't no pay me later, crack a pull up, come on pay me now. Swerving in that marrow on them H, fiberglass style. LS1 under the hood, nigga, when I slide by.
Cub playing with the food, bitch, we all gon' eat. Chain swinging like a pit, I'm a dog off the leash. Might pay for some head, but she gon' fuck me for free. Yeah, he got a little bread, but he ain't fucking with me. True story.
Hey. I swear. Let go. The biggest.
go through. Late night, early morning, trap was only go through. Power stick, man, he remind me of the Roku. Make this shit look easy, you don't know what I had to go through. Late night, early morning, my trap was the only go-to. Power stick, man, he remind me of that Roku. Muscle shit, high nigga slime when I come through. I don't wanna talk, they can help a nigga thumb through. You can count the P and I'ma go ahead and count blue. My hustle game amazing, type of nigga made that my move. Bizarre gas in the grab a leaf, change my move. My dog here, pharmacist, all he know is cop brew. Cracker ain't got no info, I don't got clues. He was playing with the beef, fucked around and got stewed. Getting dirty in the field, had to switch my shoes. Ran out of bugs, so the day, G, we got glued. The way I operate, say a nigga way too smooth. Jit on that fly shit, say too cool. On for niggas out this bitch, pulling whole moves.
Wake up in the morning, brush my teeth and then I get fly. Stuff a 3.5 in the wood and I get high. Candy paints on all the whip, nigga, when I slide by. Niggas know they ain't fucking with me, nigga, why try? Hating on me by some pussy fuck, nigga, why lie? I Gucci for a Gucci, make the bitch feel exclusive. Behind these dark tents, fuck, nigga, I see the future. Roping, but it's getting money, nigga, what I'm used to. Put 30s on the beamer, come through swerving on them roaches. Splurging on they ass, can't you see this big ass Cuban? I just left Nimitz, can't you see I'm rocking Gucci? Real YFN, pocket really feel with loose.
Make this shit look easy, you don't know what I had to go through. Late night, early morning, my trap was the only go-to. Power stick, man, he remind me of that Roku. Muscle shit, high nigga slime when I come through. I don't wanna talk, they can help a nigga thumb through. You can count the P and I'ma go ahead and count blue. My hustle game amazing, type of nigga make that my move. Bizarre gas in the grab a leaf, change my mood.